Hello, welcome to my channel, Ngasih Tahu channel. Hari ini, today we're gonna tell you how to download drivers and firmware for your Surface from the website of Microsoft, support.microsoft.com. The link will be available in the description of our video. This is the way to fix your Surface Pro, especially for your keyboard. You need to reinstall it manually. Nah, ini websitenya, download drivers and firmware for Surface. And then you scroll it down, and this is check for your Windows update. And you need to scroll and then manually update Surface driver and firmware. And then you need to know your Surface model, and then you also need to know your Windows version. You go to settings, system, and about. Okay, how to check your OS version? Just click in the setting, and then system and about. Now you can see in here OS build 19044.2006. So because my OS building is 19044, so I will choose the nearest version that available in the firmware website. So let's go back to the website. So my Surface Pro, I know the model is of course Surface Pro, and then for the model is Surface Pro 5 generation, and then I click it, and in here the available driver, when you click the detail, is Surface Pro Win 10 19041. So because my Surface Pro is 19044, I will use this this driver, and then I will download, and after that I will install the driver, and hopefully it will fix my keyboard. And also with your keyboard, just try it. I try to install the drivers, and it's still loading, and I don't know if it can fix my keyboard, but usually from the explanation in some forum of Microsoft, it can fix your keyboard and another problem with your Surface Pro. You can try it, but it depends on the problem of your keyboard. And this is also the step that recommended by the Microsoft help center. When you try to contact to the operator, they will help you to remotely fix your Surface Pro, and the step that they are taken is to reinstall the firmware of your Surface Pro. Good luck for your Surface Pro, and see you on my next video. Don't forget to subscribe and like and share. Thank you.